All right, here we are at 1820 Meadowlark Lane in Denison, Texas. It's located off of Juanita Drive, just off of Morton Street. Family-friendly neighborhood. Kids. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath with a 1-car carport. Central air and heat. Let's walk on inside. All right, here you have your nice spacious living room. And it's kind of open to the kitchen with this breakfast bar. So you could put some bar stools. Kitchen has refrigerator, stove, stainless steel refrigerator, stove. That's an electric flat top stove. Gray subway tile backsplash, new countertops and plumbing. We still need to put some hardware on. Washer to dryer goes in your kitchen. It takes an electric dryer. There's enough room in this kitchen to put a small table if you wanted to have an eating kitchen. Or you could just, like I said, use some bar stools on the breakfast bar. Hot water heaters in that closet, central air and heat unit. This is the one of the smaller bedrooms. And it does have a closet over here and a view of the backyard. This house has all new ceiling fans, vinyl plank flooring, paint, doors. It's been completely remodeled. This is the master bedroom. Has a view of the neighbor's yard and the backyard. Has a closet. It's nice size. Let's see if I can zoom out. I just cannot get zoomed out far enough. I apologize. All the bedrooms are located off the hallway, right off the bathroom. Let me show you the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom. It's the second largest bedroom. Has a view of the front yard, new ceiling fan, vinyl plank flooring, and there's a closet. Then we have this beautiful, completely remodeled bathroom. We have a new mirror, light bar, fixture, plumbing fixtures, new vanity, new toilet, new tub, and that is a nice deep tub. And we have put in a new shower head and completely tiled the shower out with glass accents. Super, super cute. And then we go back into the living room and you can see the vastness of the living room. It's a nice sized living room. So if you're interested in, let me go walk out to the backyard. If you're interested in this property, please give us a call at 903-374-8959. Say hi, Johnny. Carport has a storage.
Right. I mean, I know you probably spread.
There's still some paint that needs to be done. And this is the backyard. Central air and heat unit.
You let me know, man.
Partially fenced. This side is not fenced. So if you're interested, like I said, give us a call at 903-374-8959. Give you a view of the back of the house. All right, give us a call, 903-374-8959. This is 1820 Meadowlark Lane in Denison.